tie and me de eba bedimo mediane glorious sika attention TV me so subscribe like and share na other phobia so inside into me kebi me so subscribe press on all notifications and bibi bia ready betom bia no onso onsa ebetimi akabina yekoye nim sa pepepe Kweku An ede nsembi abetso abonten na some of the abetso abonten efa honorable Kennedy Agyap0ng na waseden also honorable Kennedy Agyap0ng efa owusu bempa ene agrada arrest ni nyina MPP for ne honorable Kennedy Agyap0ng ewo nsawom na say asema Kweku An eka ni nyina na say eye plantain MPP for aye pese omudi tete pese omudi tete eye agrada ene owusu bempa abusia o de meka sanche yenkoni kutie ensama Kweku An ekafa agrada ene owusu bempa ho arrest na yembra
eye wo papa Kennedy Agyap0ng chow no kre
nyane kre
one pada chow
baby me papa Kennedy Agyap0ng
one kase oye wo papa na still oye papa na say bibisa.
You see the difference between say Kweku An has stated clear categorically say one mene Kennedy Agyap0ng ni asem.
Okay.
Two, he continued to be a big brother and a father.
Okay.
Three, Semishiana abontin baby ne michiana or Jesua. Fine, one Jesua we come in.
Okay.
And I've stated this.
Okay.
Three fencing a categorical statement. I stated it on my own television station, Kweku An TV. I said this.
Okay. It's your apology.
Vivi, didn't you apology, my Kennedy Agyap0ng? Why?
Oh, okay. Any auntie, what when
baby,
you
apology be uncle baby.
Oh, okay.
The fact that me know one or two issues no. Present he share baby and then to he can no how.
Oh,
he still remain Kennedy Agyap0ng, a friend, a brother, a father. I mean all. And it ends with it.
Okay.
There's some unscrupulous scavengers be omnenam. I call them surrogates without apologies to them. And on person will sow a seed of discord. You see, they do this with some form of alacrity and some prowess.
Hey.
And I have constantly sent messages to Kennedy Agyap0ng say Ken, Shena Kasachre sa Emrantini Binom.
Honorable.
Yes, I just simply don't want to mention their names, and I cannot, will not, and may simply mention the name. Also, I'm better. My bloggers, do you know why I mentioned them?
No.
Even though me no need that rapport, but my catch was somebody like a blogger bit say Kweku. The nipa to me the nyoma ba na omubuefu say I or yes am so hey no. Won't adwuma na se. Obi obetimi di o content aye program na wa wo hwa obesre or yim pasre or ye fan or ye say me okay with.
Yeah.
Dan obi oba be trans na opese o come ni fifiti bom wrongly also seed of discord na odekwaje enumnyam won mo amugu owura Kennedy Agyap0ng echi na mo ye mo ho te se mo ye more Catholic than the Pope no shut up.
Hey,
there's another unscrupulous baby now me no be trying to look at this it or it yes of course I didn't mean power me wiase no e before su baby na bi no ye nyoma onu anim so ni mu no ebi kwa no mpe papa na sem nanso wo ye ma akwaye ti say wo di koje nunyama na akwaye den Kennedy Agyap0ng odi president amasa he doesn't know you me yenye the presidency nti na mko ye adwuma de man far from that na the presidency a enti a enche Kweku An enche me free ho to the extent say there has been a lot of discussions within certain corridors for Kweku to go back and I say no. If you have a matter and can't say, if you means you hope you, India, if it's about the presidency, me no masa o. When Yankupon domini to me be see Kweku An ubedi ube koden ube den ya, and nam offense a nipa ba koso.
Obakaya Reverend.
Asha for wedi yesi kwaku yedine Kweku An whether what's in summer a Kweku An I edefa honorable Kennedy Agyap0ng na make I was on subscribe like and share na yankoye no subscribing so kai pa say obe press on the notification bell obe press on all senior bibi biara de ba betum bia no on sa ebetumi akabi attention TV media ne gloria sika makra